Isaiah 40 verse 29, He gives strength to the weary and increases the power of the weak. Philippians 4 verse 13, I can do all this through Him who gives me strength. Psalm 46 verse 1, God is our refuge and strength, an ever-present help in trouble. 2 Corinthians 12 verse 9, But He said to me, My grace is sufficient for you, for my power is made perfect in weakness. Therefore I will boast all the more gladly about my weaknesses, so that Christ's power may rest on me. Nehemiah 8 verse 10, Do not grieve, for the joy of the Lord is your strength. Ephesians 6 verse 10, Finally, be strong in the Lord and in His mighty power. Psalm 28 verse 7, The Lord is my strength and my shield. My heart trusts in Him, and He helps me. Deuteronomy 31 verse 6, Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or terrified because of them, for the Lord your God goes with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you. Psalm 73 verse 26, My flesh and my heart may fail, but God is the strength of my heart and my portion forever. Isaiah 41 verse 13, For I am the Lord your God who takes hold of your right hand and says to you, Do not fear, I will help you. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.